Let's see what the hell this endurance with us today. Let's go. About fucking time, nigga.
Facts.
About time. Oh yeah.
I need all girls to be on this side.
We got a game for you guys.
On this side. We're going to be playing a game. And I'm pretty sure we're going to divide this place up. It's okay. It's okay. Say goodbye.
Actually, while you're at it, scour everywhere. It looks like a literal battlefield out here.